Welcome back, and today we're going to customize my gym shoes, my Pink Panther gym shoes. Y'all, this is my very first time doing this, so bear with me. I got these shoes from Walmart for $15. I put a list of all the supplies that I use, but the first thing you need to do, first of all, take the laces out, take the lace out the shoes, and then you're going to get you some acetone, and everywhere that you want these shoes painted, you need to wipe it down with acetone to get that top factory coat off. Otherwise, your paint will not stick. I got this decal off of Etsy. I'll leave a link down below. In this part, I'm not going to use acetone, and I'm going to use a different type of tape. So I know at the end, that's where I want my decal to go. So that's why I have the blue tape there and the white tape everywhere else. And that's the acetone. Make sure whatever acetone you're using, it is pure acetone. And this is the paint that I'm using. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to do the splash technique. I saw this on another YouTuber's video, so I'm going to do this. I'm just going to take my paint and just kind of flick it. My paint and my paint set and just flick it. And it came out really cute too. And this is a heat gun. And you don't have to use a heat gun if you have a blow dryer. That's cool. I just wanted to dry a little bit quicker. Now, I let it dry for a couple hours, and now I'm using my POSCA markers. These are paint markers, so I want to experience both with the markers and the paint. That's why I'm using the paint markers. So I want to get the feel of that also, because I have more shoes I need to customize. So now I'm just taking the tape off where I'm going to use my POSCA marker. And I should have wiped it down first with the acetone. I forgot, y'all. Bear with me. This is my first time. I get better over time. And make sure you let that completely dry before you put any type of paint on there. And I did. So this is the marker that I'm using. I got this from my local art supply store, Michael's. You can get them off Amazon too. I bought mine individually, and they also come in packs. So I'm just going to paint just like I'm coloring in a coloring book and just go. Look at that, y'all. This turned out really nice too. And now I'm doing the back where I want my paint to go. Get creative. I wanted to do something kind of simple. And you don't have to use your heat gun. I just like my heat gun. I got it off Amazon too, of course, for like 20 bucks. Just want to dry it a little quicker. And this is the fun part. This is my decal, and I'm going to be using what's called a mini iron. You can get it off Amazon, or you can go to your local arts and craft store. And make sure you press. No circular motion, just press it. And you don't have to press along. You let it cool before you dry it, before you pull it off also. And I'm just going over this with some parchment paper, because sometimes they come out a little bit too glossy. So if you want more of a matte look, you can just use that. And this is my matte acrylic finisher. Remember, we took that top coat off. So now we're going to go back over everywhere that we painted to give it that gloss matte look. Just like it did before we used the acetone. And this, it doesn't take long to dry, but I just let it air dry. Like I say, if you don't have a heat gun, you can use a blow dryer. Of course, the heat gun get a lot hotter than a blow dryer. Y'all, this is the finished product. Look at that. Yes. And of course, put your lace back in. And now I can go to the gym and look fly in my new Pink Panther shoes. Shout out to all y'all who ever watched Pink Panther growing up, or if you still watch it to this day. But that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. And I will see you guys in the next video.